Oh, did you enjoy Sarah?
A ste uživali v Sari?
Well, in our last
No,
few moments
in v
together,
teh zadnjih trenutkih, ki jih imamo še skupaj,
Sarah and I are seeking to answer 3 questions.
Saro poskušava odgovoriti na 3 vprašanja.
Why do we negatively react to each other?
Zakaj se negativno odzivamo drug na drugega?
How do we motivate each other?
Kako naj motiviramo drug drugega?
And what do we do when a partner doesn't respond?
In kaj naj storimo takrat, kadar se naš partner ne odziva?
As for that first question,
Kar se tiče prvega vprašanja,
why do we negatively react to each other?
zakaj se negativno odzivamo drug na drugega,
The crazy cycle is the answer to that.
a ne, je odgovor ta začarani krog.
When we see the spirit of our partner deflate,
A ne, ko vidimo, kako našemu partnerju upade duh, ko je prizadet,
we are suggesting to you
vam predlagava,
that the woman is probably feeling unloved
da se ženska v tistem trenutku verjetno počuti neljubljeno
and the man is feeling disrespected.
in da se moški v tistem trenutku počuti nespoštovan.
Now, during courtship, both seek love,
In seveda v času dvorjenja sta oba iskala ljubezen,
but within the first year of that relationship,
ampak po prvem letu tega odnosa
he tends to lean on the disrespect side,
se je on začel nagibati na to stran nespoštovanja,
though during courtship he's seeking love.
čeprav v času dvorjenja išče ljubezen.
But usually the crazy cycle starts to spin that first year.
Ampak ponavadi se ta začarani krog začne vrteti že to prvo leto.
And the question is, what will you and I do when that happens?
In vprašanje je, kaj bova midva storila, ko se to zgodi?
Will we say to her, you ought not to feel unloved, and I'm sick and tired of the
Ali bomo
disrespect?
rekli, ti se ne bi smela tako počutiti in poln kufer imam že tega.
That's completely ineffective.
To ni efektivno, ni učinkovito.
We cannot be unloving and motivate her to show us
Ne
respect.
moremo biti neljubeči in njo motivirati, da bo bolj spoštljiva.
We can be harsh and angry
Lahko smo osorni in jezni
and get her to quiet down
in jo s tem utišamo
and think that we won that battle.
in si mislimo, da smo zmagali v tej bitki.
We do it tomorrow.
A ne? In še jutri ponovimo.
We win that battle.
In spet zmagamo v bitki.
We're harsh and angry the third
In
day.
smo že tretji dan osorni in jezni.
We're unloving,
Smo neljubeči
but she's quiet.
in ona je tiho.
We win that battle.
In zmagali smo v tej bitki.
And then we lose the war.
In potem zgubimo vojno.
It's important that we realize you cannot use unholy means to achieve worthy ends.
Pomembno je, da se zavedamo, da ne moremo uporabiti nesveta sredstva, da bi dosegli svete cilje.
The wiser approach is to give her the benefit of the doubt
Modrejši pristop je, da jo smatramo za dobronamerno.
and believe she's a good-willed woman.
Da verjamemo, da je v osnovi dobronamerna.
And as men, we usually know she's a virtuous, caring person.
Kot moški se zavedamo, da je ona skrbna, da je polna vrlin.
We need to trust then that she's not trying to be disrespectful. That's not her
In
goal.
moramo zaupati, da ona ni za nalašč nespoštljiva, da to ni njen končni cilj.
At the worst, she's using disrespect
In
to awaken us to her
V
need for love.
najslabšem primeru ona uporablja to nespoštovanje, da bi nas prebudila za njeno potrebo po ljubezni.
And will we decode that that's what she's doing?
In vprašanje je, ali bomo mi razvozljali, kaj ona počne,
Or will we take up offense?
ali pa bomo sami užaljeni.
And ladies,
In dame,
this man would literally die for you.
ta moški bi dobesedno umrl za vas.
We know he's less sensitive than you are.
Zavedamo se, da je manj občutljiv, kakor ste vi.
He's less sentimental.
Je tudi manj sentimentalen.
But that doesn't mean he's unloving.
Ampak to ne pomeni, da je on povsem neljubeč.
He's not thinking about being unloving.
On ne razmišlja kar naprej v načinih, kako bi bil neljubeč do
I always
vas.
ask women,
Pogosto krat vprašam žene,
before he reacted in a way that felt unloving,
predno se je odzval na način, ki se je zdel neljubeč,
did you say or do something prior to that that felt
ali
disrespectful
ste
to you?
morda pred tem storile ali rekle kaj, kar je on lahko občutil kot nespoštovanje?
Women have a photographic memory.
Ženske imajo fotografski spomin.
When it comes to the emotional relationship, they remember everything.
Posebej, kar se tiče čustvenega odnosa, si vse zapomnijo.
I watch women talk to each other.
Jaz opazujem, kako se ženske pogovarjajo druga z drugo.
They tell each other their stories.
A ne drugi povedo zgodbo.
She says something like this.
Ona reče nekaj takega.
He said.
On je rekel.
I said.
Jaz sem rekla.
He said.
On je rekel.
I
Jaz
said.
sem rekla.
He said.
On je rekel,
I
jaz sem
said.
rekla.
They have the chronology.
In imajo vso kronologijo.
They can talk for an hour
1 uro lahko o tem govorijo.
and replay detail by detail what
In
happened.
ponovijo detalj za detajlom, natanko tako, kot se je zgodilo.
It's an amazing thing to watch.
To je neverjetna stvar, katero lahko opazujete.
So when I asked them, did you say or do something prior to that
In,
felt
in
disrespectful,
zato, ko jih vprašam, ali ste morda storile ali rekli nekaj, kar je on občutil kot nespoštovanje,
they say,
rečejo,
yes,
ja,
but he should know I didn't mean it.
ampak on bi moral vedeti, da jaz tega nisem zares mislila.
But he is vulnerable.
Ampak on je ranljiv.
And that explains why he shut down and withdrew.
In to nam lahko razloži, zakaj se je v tistem hipu zaprl in potegnil vase.
And so you're going to have to ask yourself,
In torej se boste morali vprašati,
will I dismiss him as childish
ali ga bom odpravila, kot da je otroči,
or give him the benefit of the doubt
ali pa ga bom smatrala, da je dobro nameren.
that he's a good-willed man who would die for
Da
me?
je dobro nameren moški, ki bi bil pripravljen umreti zame.
And even though he reacted in a way that felt unloving,
In če ravno je odreagiral na način, ki se je meni zdel neljubeč,
he was reacting to something that I said or did earlier.
se je morda odreagiral na nekaj, kar sem predtem rekla ali storila.
If both of you give each other grace,
In če bi drug drugemu oba dala take vrste milost,
giving that benefit of the doubt,
če bi oba smatrala drug drugega kot dobro namerni osebi,
your relationship will succeed.
potem vaš odnos lahko uspe.
It will not fail.
Mu ne bo spodletelo, ne bo razpadel.
You will get on the crazy cycle like Sarah and I do,
Seveda boste vstopili v začarani krog, ravno tako kot Sara in jaz.
but you won't stay on it.
Ampak ne boste ostali na njem,
You'll jump off quicker.
ampak boste hitreje skočili z njega.
But the key is to decode.
Ključ je v tem, da znate razvozljati ta sporočila.
Let me illustrate.
Naj ilustriram.
Years ago, this happened on a subway with a man, Stephen Covey.
Pred leti, to se je zgodilo na podzemni železnici za človekom po imenu Stephen Covey.
He told this story, and I'm going to, though, put it on a bus.
To zgodbo mi je povedal, ampak jaz jo bom sedaj prestavil na avtobus.
This is a bus that's headed to Berlin from
To je
Slovenia.
avtobus, ki se iz Berlina vozi, pelje do Berlina.
There are 40 seats,
40 sedežev.
but 4 are still empty.
Ampak 4 sedeži so še vedno prazni.
We are waiting.
In vsi čakamo.
Ah, here they come.
No, končno, prihajajo.
Oh, it's a father
Oh.
with his 3 children.
Oče s 3 otroki.
The father walks down the aisle,
Oče pride po sredini avtobusa
gets in the seat adjacent to you, and looks out the window.
in se usede na sedež pred tabo in pogleda skozi
The
okno.
bus door closes.
Avtobusna vrata se zapro,
The bus starts off.
avtobus počasi se začne premikati
People put
naprej,
their seats back.
a ne ljudje nagnejo sedeže nazaj,
Going to be traveling all
a
night.
ne, ker se zavedajo, da bodo celo noč
Would like to
potovali,
get a little sleep.
radi bi se malce naspali.
Just then one of the children
In
screamed.
kar naenkrat zakriči en izmed otrok
The other one screamed.
in še drug zakriči
They're running up and down the aisle.
in tečejo po sredini avtobusa gor in dol.
They elbowed one of the passengers.
In z komovcem butnejo enega izmed potnikov.
Everybody sits up.
In vsi se usedejo po konci
They're looking back at the dad.
in gledajo na očeta,
He's just staring out the
on
window.
pa še vedno strmi skozi okno.
He's not doing a thing.
Nič ne naredi.
The children are out of control.
Otroci so izven vsake kontrole.
Other passengers look back at
In
you.
drugi potniki pogledajo tebe, ki sediš za njim.
They want you to get the father's attention.
In želijo pridobiti tvojo pozornost, da ti pridobiš očetovo pozornost.
Sir,
Gospod,
sir,
gospod,
sir.
gospod,
What? What?
kaj?
Your children.
Vaši
Would you
otroci.
have them sit down?
A jih posedate dol?
We're headed to Berlin and we want to get a little sleep.
Gremo do Berlina in bi se radi malce naspali.
He looks at you.
On pogleda v vas,
He looks at everybody.
pogleda na vse ostale.
He says, oh, I'm sorry,
Reče,
sir.
žal mi je, gospod.
Everybody, I'm sorry.
Joj, vsi vi, žal mi je, oprostite.
Please forgive me. Please forgive
Prosim,
them.
odpustite mi, res.
We just came from the hospital.
Ravno kar smo se vrnili iz
Their
bolnišnice.
mother, my wife,
Njihova
just
mama,
died.
moja žena je ravno kar umrla.
And he began to stare out the window again.
In začne ponovno strmeti skozi okno.
Where did your emotions go?
Kam so šla sedaj vsa vaša čustva?
They flip-flopped.
Kar preskočila so.
Everything changed.
Vse se je spremenilo.
Nothing changed.
Nič se ni spremenilo.
Everything changed.
Vse se je spremenilo.
Nothing changed.
Nič se ni spremenilo.
How did that just happen?
Kako se je to zgodilo?
We got a little piece of information
Dobili smo en delček informacije,
that enabled us to decode.
ki nam je omogočilo razvozljati sporočilo.
Prior to that information,
In pred to informacijo
we were angry and offended.
smo bili jezni in užaljeni.
That man's a permissive father,
Ta oče je en permisiven oče,
horrible father.
grozen starš.
And those children are
In ti
anti-adult and
otroci so čisto
anti-authority.
uporni in
Those are my kids, they
če
wouldn't
bi
be
to moji
acting this.
otroci bi že videli.
We were angry.
In vsi smo jezni.
Then we got a little piece of
In
information.
potem dobimo en delček informacije.
What was that information?
Katera je bila ta informacija?
His lover, their mother, died.
Njegova ljubica, njihova mati je ravno kar umrla.
We now understood what he was doing.
In sedaj razumemo, kaj je on počel.
He was in shock,
On je bil v šoku
and they were acting out.
in oni so vse to tudi doživljali.
They had never lost their mommy
Oni še
before.
nikoli prej niso izgubili svoje mamice.
When we got information that explained their behavior,
In ko dobimo informacijo, ki razloži njihovo vedenje,
the anger left,
je jeza kar odšla.
and we felt empathy and
In takrat
compassion.
smo občutili sočutje do njega.
You are on a marital bus ride
In tudi jaz in ti sva na zakonskem avtobusu.
in this partnership with this other person.
Smo v tem partnerskem odnosu z drugo osebo.
One of you staring out the window, stonewalling and not responding.
Eden izmed vaju zre skozi okno, je zaprt vase, molči in ima zid pred seboj.
The other's running up and down the aisle, drama,
Drug pa
drama, drama.
divje, teče gor in dol po sredini avtobusa in ga je sama drama.
You choose who is who.
In vi se odločite, kdo je kdo.
And we are angry and
In
offended.
smo jezni in užaljeni.
But what I'm saying is
Ampak
decode.
kar jaz govorim, dekodirajte.
I'm giving you a piece of information.
Jaz vam dajem en delček informacije.
In most cases, something happened just before
In
that
v večini primerov se je nekaj zgodilo tik pred tem,
that explains his and her behavior.
ki lahko razloži njegovo oziroma njeno vedenje.
He is probably feeling disrespected,
On se verjetno počuti nespoštovan
so is doing what most males do.
in zato počne to, kar pač večina moških počno.
That's the way he deals with his hurts.
Na tak način se on sooči s svojo bolečino.
She is being dramatic,
Ona pa je vsa
Mož.
dramatična.
but you said or did something that was harsh and angry that
Ampak-
threatened her.
Morda ste rekli oziroma storili nekaj, kar je bilo jezno, osorno in se
And-
zaradi tega počutila ogroženo.
It explains her behavior.
In to lahko razloži njeno vedenje.
The question is, do we want to decode?
In vprašanje je, ali želimo razvozljati,
Do we want to acknowledge that we did something that hurt them?
ali želimo prepoznati, da smo morda nekaj storili, kar je prizadelo to osebo,
Or do we want to blame them?
ali pa jih želimo kriviti.
And that's a crossroads that we come to.
In to je križišče, na katerem se znajdemo.
You ought not feel that way.
Ti se ne bi smel počutiti takole.
You ought not to feel that way.
Ti se tudi ne bi smela takole počutiti.
Grow up.
Odraz že enkrat.
I didn't mean to do anything wrong.
Sej nisem mislil nič slabega narediti.
You're just overly sensitive.
Ti si preveč občutljiva.
That's one way of dealing with it.
To je en način, kako se lahko soočimo s tem.
But when you deal with it the way I'm suggesting,
Ampak, ko se soočiš na način, kot vam jaz predlagam,
they have a tendency to reciprocate.
a ne, imajo tendenco, da ti povrnejo nazaj.
You scratch my back,
A
I
ne.
scratch your
Ti
back.
mene popraskaš po hrbtu, jaz tebe popraskam.
If two goodwill people decide to move forward together,
Če se dve dobronamerni osebi odločita, da gresta skupaj naprej,
they can stop the craziness.
potem lahko zaustavita to norost.
But we get off the crazy cycle by getting on the energizing
Ampak
cycle.
iz začaranega kroga lahko stopimo tako, da gremo v poživljajoči krog.
We said his love motivates her
In
respect,
rečemo, njegova ljubezen motivira njeno spoštovanje.
and her respect motivates his love.
Njeno spoštovanje motivira njegovo ljubezen.
That question we asked,
In vprašanje, ki smo ga postavili,
which is the second
ki
question,
je drugo vprašanje,
how do you motivate another person?
kako motiviraš drugo osebo?
The energizing cycle explains that.
In poživljajoči krog to razloži.
And Sarah shared some of those things that energize a man and woman.
In Sara je podelila nekaj izmed teh stvari, ki lahko poživi moškega ali žensko.
And I had talked about the face-to-face and
In
shoulder-to-shoulder.
jaz sem govoril o tem, kako se ženske rade pogovarjajo z oči v oči in moški z rame ob rami.
I want to encourage you to go deeper because we've said more about
In
this.
želim vas ohrabriti, da greste še globje, ker je več v tem.
Would you consider the small group of
Ali bi razmislili, da bi se mogoče udeležili kakšne izmed malih skupin
the material called the building blocks?
za pare, ki se imenuje načela zakonskih in partnerskih odnosov.
It's a very exciting small group experience.
To je zelo vznemirljiva dinamika v taki mali skupini.
And you can talk with other couples
In
on
se
how they're
lahko
doing.
pogovarjate z drugimi pari, kako njim to uspeva.
Now what's interesting, it's based on Ephesians
In kar
5:33
je
in the Bible.
zanimivo je to, da je vse osnovano na Efežanih 5:33, ki se znajde v Svetem pismu.
The ancient wisdom says
Ta starodavna modrost pravi,
in this treatise on marriage in the Bible,
ko govori o zakonu v Svetem pismu.
in verse 33,
In v vrstici 33. vrstici
a husband must love his wife
pravi, mož ne ljubi svojo ženo,
and a wife must respect her husband.
žena pa ne spoštuje svojega moža.
Not only did the University of Washington find that out,
Ne samo, da je univerza v Washingtonu to ugotovila in potrdila,
the Bible said that 2,000 years ago.
Sveto pismo je o tem govorilo že pred 2000 leti.
In fact, the father of your nation,
Pravzaprav oče vašega naroda,
Trubar,
Trubar,
quotes Ephesians 5 many times.
Primož Trubar večkrat citira Efežane 5:33.
I was warmly touched by that.
Jaz sem bil zelo ganjen, ko sem to slišal.
As a people,
Kot ljudje,
Trubar
Trubar.
knew about love and respect.
Trubar se je zavedal, je poznal spoštovanje in
But what
ljubezen.
if,
In ljubezen.
but what if the person I'm with isn't responding to this?
Kaj pa, če ta oseba, s katero živim, se ne odziva na te stvari?
You try to stop the craziness,
Vi poskušate zaustaviti to norost, ta začaran krog,
and it gets crazier with them.
in potem je še bolj noro, se vse
And-
noro bolj vrti.
And you try to do the loving, respectful
In
thing,
vi poskušate storiti to ljubečo zadevo in biti spoštljivi.
and they just say, you're trying to be the mature one.
Zdaj sam hočeš biti tista zrelejša oseba. a ne?
You're just doing that because Sarah and Emerson said
To
that.
dela samo zato, ker sta Sara in Emerson o tem govorila.
You're insincere.
Ti nisi iskren oziroma
You don't
iskrena.
mean it.
Tega ne misliš resno.
Oh, that's going to hurt.
No, to bo zares bolelo.
But sometimes they're also saying,
Ampak včasih pa ravno tako pravijo,
don't mess with me.
ne se hecati z mano.
I need you to be sincere
Jaz rabim, da si iskren oziroma iskrena.
because you're getting close real quick.
Zato, ker se mi zelo hitro približuješ.
And if you're just doing this to get
In
something,
če to delaš samo zato, da bi nekaj dobil oziroma dobila,
I'm too vulnerable.
sem preveč ranljiv.
Don't
ranljiva.
use me.
Ne me izkoriščati.
And so sometimes they get a little cynical,
In zato včasih postanejo malce cinični.
but it's really kind of like pushing away, but come
To je
close.
tako, ne? Na en stran te poriva, stran na drugi pa te vabi, pridi bliže.
Trust their heart.
Zaupajte njegovemu oziroma njenemu srcu.
And trust what Sarah and I are saying.
In zaupajte temu, kar vam Saro govoriva.
This is powerful,
To je izredno močno.
and they can't resist it long term.
In dolgoročno se ne morejo temu upirati.
I had a person write me after one of our seminars.
Po enem izmed naših seminarjev mi je ena oseba pisala,
It was a woman who wrote,
seveda bila je ženska, ki je pisala,
she said, my husband did not listen to anything you said.
rekla, moj mož ni poslušal ničesar od tega, kar ste govorili.
Nothing you said about love did he listen to.
Nič, kar ste govorili o ljubezni, ni poslušal.
And I did not listen to anything you said about respect.
In tudi jaz nisem poslušala ničesar, kar ste govorili o spoštovanju.
We only listened to what the other was to do.
Midva sva samo poslušala, kaj naj bi oni drugi počel.
How have you been listening today?
Na kakšen način pa ste vi danes poslušali?
Have you been listening for what they're supposed to do?
Ali ste poslušali to, kar naj bi oni drugi počel?
If so, you're giving them all the power.
In če ste to delali, potem ste jim s tem dali vso moč.
You are making them your God.
Potem jih delate za vašega Boga.
They are responsible for your
Torej,
happiness.
to pomeni, da so oni odgovorni za vašo srečo.
And of course, we understand why you feel that way.
In seveda razumemo, zakaj bi se tako počutili.
When they love and respect you,
Ko te ljubijo ali spoštujejo,
you feel happy.
se počutiš srečen.
So then we say,
Torej si rečemo,
You need to continue to be loving and respectful to make me happy.
Ti moraš biti še naprej ljubeč oziroma spoštljiva zato, da bom jaz srečen ali srečna.
And when I'm unhappy,
In če sem nesrečen oziroma nesrečna,
it must be that you fail to love and respect me.
pomeni, da si ti kriv, ker ti je spodletelo oziroma kriva, da me spoštuješ.
You're responsible.
Ti si odgovoren
And so we blame them.
ali odgovorna, torej jih krivimo.
But when we do that,
Ampak, ko to počnemo,
we're giving them all the power.
jim s tem pripisujemo vso moč.
I don't want to live that way.
Jaz pa ne želim živeti na tak način.
I want to be able to influence another person.
Jaz želim biti ta, ki lahko vpliva na drugo osebo.
And I am telling you men,
In jaz govorim vam možje,
don't wait for her to be respectful to motivate you to be loving.
ne čakati na njo, da bo postala bolj spoštljiva, zato da boste vi bolj ljubeči do
If you
nje.
do, you give her all the power.
Ker če to delaš, ji s tem daješ vso moč.
Instead, see yourself as having this kind of power.
In raje glej nase kot na to, da imaš take vrste moč.
When you choose to be loving, it motivates her to be respectful.
Ko se ti odločiš, da boš ljubeč, bo to motiviralo njo, da bo bolj spoštljiva.
Which side do you want to live on?
Na kateri strani želiš živeti?
Do you want her to be respectful to motivate you to be loving?
Hočeš, da bo ona bolj spoštljiva, da boš ti bolj ljubeč?
You're giving her all the power.
S tem ji pripisuješ vso moč.
Or are you a man of honor
Ali si ti mož časti,
who believes
ki verjame,
that when I do the loving thing,
da ko bom jaz bolj ljubeč,
over time,
bo čez določen čas
she will be respectful?
ona postala bolj spoštljiva.
Same thing with you ladies.
In isto velja za vas dame.
Are you going to conclude,
Ali boste zaključile,
I will be respectful after you love me?
jaz bom bolj spoštljiva potem, ko boš ti bolj ljubeč.
Everybody in the culture says that's the way it ought to be
Vsi
anyway.
v kulturi okrog mene pravijo, da bi tako itak moralo biti.
All my girlfriends agree with me.
In vse moje prijateljice se strinjajo s tem.
Or will you see that you have power?
Ali pa boste prepoznali, da imate moč.
That when you put on respect, even though he doesn't deserve
Da,
it,
ko si ti nadeneš spoštovanje, tudi
You be-
takrat, ko si ga on ne zasluži,
you become a better man than he is.
potem postaneš ti boljši moški od njega.
You've entered the honor code.
Potem si ti vstopila v ta častni kodeks.
And I will tell you, his heart will soften.
In ti povem, da se bo njegovo srce omehčalo.
Not right away,
Ne takoj,
but over time,
ampak čez določen čas.
he will stop walking away from you.
Bo prenehal s tem, da kar odkoraka proč,
He will move toward you.
ampak se bo približal.
See, her respect motivates his love.
Njeno spoštovanje motivira njegovo ljubezen.
That's a foreign concept.
In to je povsem tuj koncept,
The culture says
ker kultura pravi,
his love
njegova ljubezen
motivates
motivira
my love,
mojo ljubezen
and my love
in moja ljubezen
motivates
motivira
his love,
njegovo ljubezen
and we'll all be
in
happy.
vsi bomo srečni do konca svojih dni.
But we are saying your respect
Ampak
motivates his
pravimo,
love.
vaše spoštovanje je tisto, ki motivira njegovo ljubezen.
And it doesn't feel natural.
In to se nam ne zdi povsem naravno.
And that's okay.
In to je povsem v redu.
There's nothing wrong with you ladies.
Nič ni narobe z vami, damami.
But this is countercultural and counterintuitive.
Ampak to je nekako v nasprotju z tokom naše kulture.
But when you do it this way, it
Ampak
works.
če boste delali na tak način, bo delovalo.
And I want to encourage you to move forward with that.
In želim vas ohrabriti, da greste s tem naprej.
Otherwise, you're going to simply be a victim the rest of your life,
Če ne, boste žrtve do konca svojega življenja,
who's forever trying to change him
ki bo kar naprej, do konca se bo trudila ga spremeniti,
to be more loving,
da bi bil on bolj ljubeč,
to motivate you to be respectful.
da bi te bolj motiviral, da si bolj spoštljiva do
And you give
njega.
him all the power.
In s tem mu pripisuješ vso moč.
There's another way of doing it,
Obstaja pa še drug način,
the way I'm recommending.
način, ki ga jaz priporočam.
But now some people say, I don't know if I can do this.
Ampak včasih ljudje rečejo, ja, ampak jaz ne vem, kako naj to počnem.
But what if I said to you,
Kaj pa, če bi vam rekel?
a film crew is going to follow you for 6 weeks,
Naprimer, 6 tednov vas bo spremljala filmska ekipa.
and if you never get angry at your partner,
In če se nikoli ne boste zjezili na vašega partnerja,
we are going to give you 5 million euro.
vam bomo dali 5 milijonov evrov.
Would you get angry?
Ali bi se potem zjezili?
No.
Ne.
So we can do what I'm
Torej,
recommending.
vsi lahko počnemo to, kar jaz priporočam.
We're just not getting paid enough.
Samo plačani nismo dovolj za to.
We can do this.
Torej zmoremo.
But in order to do this, in
Ampak-
conclusion, I want to say we must subscribe to a certain principle.
Če želimo to početi, vam v zaključku a ne povem tole.
That principle is my response is my
Moramo
responsibility.
se odločiti in živeti po tem principu. In ta je, moj odziv je moja odgovornost.
My response is my responsibility.
Moj odziv je moja odgovornost.
What do I mean?
Kaj mislim s tem?
Sarah does not cause me to be unloving.
Sara ni ta, ki povzroča, da sem jaz tako neljubeč.
She reveals my decision to be unloving.
Ona samo razkriva mojo odločitev, da sem neljubeč.
And I don't cause her to be disrespectful.
In jaz ne povzročam, da je ona nespoštljiva.
I reveal her choice to be
Jaz
disrespectful.
samo razkrivam njeno odločitev, da je nespoštljiva.
Let me illustrate this.
Naj ilustriram takole.
A speck of sand in the eye
A ne, en košček peska v očesu
causes irritation.
a ne povzroča to, da nas draži, iritacijo.
If not cared for,
In,
infection,
in če ne poskrbimo za to, pride lahko do infekcije
and could lead to loss of vision.
in lahko vodi do izgube vida.
That same speck of sand
In ta mali pesek,
In an oyster.
drobec peska v ostrigi,
creates
v školjki,
irritation
ustvari neke vrste iritacijo
and then concretion
in potem se to tre ena stvar ob drugo
and produces a pearl.
in proizvede čudovit biser.
Now, did the sand cause the results in the human eye and cause the results
ali
in
je
the oyster?
drobec peska ta, ki povzroča reakcijo v očesu in reakcijo v školjki?
No.
Ne.
The sand is an irritant
Drobec peska je samo dražilo,
that reveals the inner properties of the
ki
human eye.
razkriva lastnosti očesa.
The sand is an irritant
Pesek je samo dražilo,
that reveals the inner
ki
properties of the
razkriva
oyster.
notranje lastnosti školjke.
If that's not true,
In če to ni res,
next time you get sand in your eye,
drugič, ko vam pade pesek, drobec peska v
be
oko,
careful, a pearl may pop
pazite,
out.
mogoče bo padel ven kakšen biser.
But that's not going to happen.
Ampak to se ne bo zgodilo, ali ne?
What's my application to you?
No, kaj je ta moja aplikacija na vas?
You are married to an irritant.
Poročeni ste z dražilom.
And this irritant
In to dražilo
is not causing you to be unloving or
ne
disrespectful.
povzroča, da ste vi neljubeči oziroma nespoštljivi.
This irritant is revealing your choice to be unloving and
To
disrespectful.
dražilo samo razkriva vašo odločitev, da ste neljubeči oziroma nespoštljivi.
Let me say it another way.
Naj povem še nekako drugače.
Here's a beautiful rose.
O, tukaj je čudovita vrtnica.
I step on the rose.
Stopim na vrtnico.
Oh, the aroma smell ascends to my nostrils.
Kakšna aroma, ne, prijetna vonjava.
It's delicious.
Krasno diši.
Now, did I cause the rose to smell like a
A sem
rose?
jaz ta, ki je povzročil, da vrtnica diši kot vrtnica?
No.
Ne.
I just revealed the
Jaz
inner
sem
properties of the
samo
rose.
razkril njene notranje lastnosti vrtnice.
Why do I say that?
Zakaj to pravim?
Oh, here's a skunk.
Poglej, tukaj je pa dihur.
I'm going to step on the skunk.
To pa bom na dihurja.
There's an aroma there too.
Tudi tukaj je ena aroma.
Did I cause the skunk to smell like
A
a
sem
skunk?
jaz povzročil, da dihur smrdi kot dihur?
Or when I stepped on the
Ali
skunk,
ko stopim na dihurja,
I just revealed the inner properties.
razkrijem njegove notranje lastnosti?
In your relationship,
V vašem odnosu,
are you a rose or a
ali ste vrtnica ali
skunk?
dihur?
Think about that.
Razmislite o tem.
See, everything in us wants to blame the other person for our
Veste,
actions.
vse, kar je nas, želi kriviti drugo osebo za naša dejanja.
I mean, if you think about it,
A ne, ker če pomislite
I
na
would
to,
love to say to Sarah,
jaz bi rad rekel Sari,
honey,
draga,
my response
moj odziv
is your
je tvoja
responsibility.
odgovornost.
And
In
your response
tvoj odziv
is your
je
responsibility.
tudi tvoja odgovornost.
And Sarah,
In Sara,
if you understand that,
če boš to razumela,
I will be happy.
bom jaz srečen.
But you know that isn't fair.
Ampak vsi se zavedate, da to ni fair.
What's fair is my response is my
Kar
responsibility.
je fair, je to, da je moj odziv moja odgovornost.
And her response is her
In
responsibility.
njen odziv je njena odgovornost.
Sarah brings me under conviction many times
In Sara me pogostokrat privede do prepričanja.
because I know I'm mostly guilty in some
Zato,
of the
ker
conflicts.
jaz se v mnogih primerih počutim, zavedam, da sem kriv za mnoge
She
konflikte.
doesn't point a finger.
Ampak ona takrat ne pokaže s prstom vame,
Instead, she just confesses what she did wrong
ampak enostavno prizna, kaj je ona storila narobe.
and leaves it at that.
In kar tam pusti.
And that convicts me.
In to je tisto, kar me tako prepriča.
That convicts me more than if she
V
points a
srce,
finger,
a ne, to me bolj zadane, kot če bi mi zažugala,
justifies her disrespect,
a ne, ker bi upravičilo potem njeno nespoštovanje,
and blames me for
a ne, in bi lahko
my
mene
unloving
okrivila,
heart.
da sem jaz neljubeč in tak in tak.
And that's one way of approaching it,
No, to je en način, kako lahko pristopimo k temu.
but long term it's ineffective.
Ampak dolgoročno ni ravno efektivno.
And a mature person realizes
In
that
zrela oseba se zave
and begins to do it differently.
in začne ravnati drugače.
So my response is my
Torej,
responsibility.
Moj odziv je moja odgovornost.
And if you're in a relationship with a person
In če ste v medsebojnem odnosu z drugo osebo,
who seems to be feeding the crazy cycle,
ki kar naprej hrani ta začarani krog,
who isn't getting on the energizing cycle,
ki ne vstopi v ta poživljajoči krog,
that's okay.
to je v redu,
You have power.
vi imate moč.
And if they have goodwill,
In če so oni dobronamerni,
over time,
bodo čez določen čas,
as you are loving and respectful,
tako kot ste vi ljubeči in spoštljivi,
confess when you're unloving and disrespectful,
bodo priznali, kadar so neljubeči oziroma nespoštljivi.
you will see their hearts softening.
A ne, kadar ti priznaš, da si bil neljubeč oziroma nespoštljiv, vidiš, kako se osebi omehča srce.
You will see them getting humble.
Takrat vidiš, kako se skoruši, kako se zna ponižati.
Why?
Zakaj?
Because you're meeting their deepest need.
Zato, ker takrat zadovoljite njegovo oziroma njeno najglobjo potrebo.
Most people
Večina ljudi
soften.
se omehča takrat.
The question is, are you willing to commit to doing this?
Vprašanje je, ali si se pripravljen temu predati, res odločiti.
Now, let me conclude with this.
No, in naj zaključim s temle.
He, as a man,
On je moški,
may be a little slower in applying this.
mogoče malce počasen v tej aplikaciji.
So, ladies, I want to encourage you to be patient with it.
Torej, dame, želim vas ohrabriti, da ste potrpežljive.
Women are what we call expressive responsive.
A ne, žene so zelo izražajo in so zelo odzivne. Ne?
She wants to go home tonight and talk about
Ona
this.
želi iti domov v tem večeru in se pogovarjati o tem.
Let's talk, let's
No,
talk.
dajva se pogovoriti zdaj.
Let's go out to coffee and talk.
No, pet greva na kavico, da se pogovoriva.
Let's talk about you being loving and me
No,
being respectful.
dajva se pogovarjati o tem, kako boš ti bolj ljubeč, kako bom jaz bolj
With
spoštljiva.
the emphasis on you being
A ne,
more loving.
s tem poudarkom, da si ti bolj ljubeč.
So he's not going to want to do that.
On ne bo želel tega
So,
storiti.
so be patient with
Torej,
him.
bodite potrpežljive z njim.
In fact, I'm reminded of this couple.
Pravzaprav spomnil sem se na ta par.
They had been married for 18 years.
Že 18 let sta poročena,
They didn't have any children.
nista imela otrok.
Oh, she had a cat.
V bistvu ona je imela muco
The cat was like 14 years old.
in muca je imela sedaj že skoraj 14 let.
The cat was like her baby.
Muca je bila kot njen otročiček.
But this woman was a career woman.
No, ampak to je bila uspešna poslovna ženska,
She traveled a lot with her business.
ne precej je potovala zaradi svoje službe.
Recently, her mother, who was a widow, had moved in with
Pred
them.
kratkim je njena mama, ki je bila vdova, se je preselila k njim.
And this career woman had been on the road for several days.
In ta uspešna podjetnica je bila na potovanju že nekaj dni.
So she called home to see how things were going.
Torej poklicala je domov, da bi videla, kako pač grejo stvari doma.
Her husband answered.
In mož odgovori
She said, "How are things
in
going?"
reče, kako so stvari doma.
He said, "Your cat's
On
dead."
reče, tvoja mačka je mrtva.
My cat's dead.
Moja muca je mrtva.
You know, I can't believe you just blurted out my cat's
Ne
dead.
morem verjeti, da si mi kar tako povedal, da je moja mačka mrtva.
You know, you could have said something like,
Lahko bi mi rekel nekaj takega.
"The cat's on the roof."
Mačka je na strehi.
Call me back in 5, I'm trying to get it down.
Pokliči me v 5, ker moram nekaj narediti.
And then I could have called back in 5 minutes and you said the
potem
cat
bi
has fallen to the
čez
ground.
5 minut poklicala in ti bi rekel, mačka je padla na tla.
Call me back in 5 minutes, I've called the fire department to come
Pokliči me čez 5 minut, ko bom poklical gasilce, da jo rešijo.
And then I could have called back and you said the cat is in cat heaven.
Potem bi jaz rekla, bi poklicala čez 5 minut in ti bi mi rekel, da je mačka v mačjih nebesih.
But instead you just blurted out the
In
cat's
enostavno si
dead.
tako grdo rekel, mačka je mrtva.
All you men are insensitive.
Vi moški ste tako neobčutljivi.
It's just, I can't believe you.
Jaz ne morem verjeti, da ste tak.
Oh, forget it.
Kar pozab ste vse.
How's mother?
Ej, kako je mama?
She's on the roof.
Mama je na strehi.
Now, I love that story.
Ta zgodba mi je izjemno všeč.
I love that story
Ta zgodba mi je zelo všeč.
because he tried to apply what he just learned.
Ker on je poskušal praktično vnesti v življenje to, kar se je ravno kar naučil.
And ladies, that's going to be how you feel about
In
your
danes-
man
a ne,
tonight.
tako se boste danes večer počutili glede vašega moža.
You want him to bring flowers,
Ne želeli si boste, da vam prinese rože,
but instead he fixes the faucet.
ampak namesto tega bo popravil pipo.
He will try to apply,
Poskušal bo to vnesti
but he may
praktično v
not do it
življenje,
according to your
ampak
expectations.
mogoče ne bo ravnal v skladu z vašimi pričakovanji.
But see his goodwill,
Ampak glejte njegovo dobronamernost,
see his heart.
Poglejte na njegovo srce,
He would lay down his life for you.
ker on je tak, ki je pripravljen odložiti svoje življenje za
God
vas.
bless you.
Naj vas Bog blagoslovi.